In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Trello 504 error, also known as the 504 Gateway Timeout error, and explain why it happens in the first place. If you've opened Trello and suddenly seen a 504 message, don't worry. This is usually a temporary issue, and in most cases, it's completely fixable. I'll walk you through the causes and the step-by-step solutions you can try right now. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. First, let's quickly understand what a Trello 504 Gateway Timeout error actually means. A 504 error happens when Trello's servers fail to communicate with each other in time. In simple terms, one server is waiting for a response from another server, and that response takes too long. When that happens, the request times out and you see the 504 error. There are three main reasons this usually happens. The first is high traffic. If Trello is experiencing a spike in usage, their servers may become overloaded. The second is server maintenance. Trello may be updating or maintaining their systems in the background. And the third reason, which is very common for power users, is having very large boards with thousands of cards, attachments, or heavy automation and API usage. Now let's go step by step through how to fix it. Step 1. Check Trello's server status. Before changing anything on your end, open your browser and go to status.atlassian.com. This is Atlassian's official status page, and Trello is owned by Atlassian. Look for any reported outages or degraded performance. If there's an active incident, the issue is on their end and you simply need to wait until it's resolved. Step 2. Refresh and log out. Sometimes the error is temporary. Refresh the page or log out of your Trello account and log back in. You can also try opening Trello in an Incognito or private browsing window to see if the issue persists. Step 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Overloaded or corrupted cached files can sometimes interfere with large boards. Go into your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, and select cached images and files. Then restart your browser and try opening Trello again. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. If the issue only happens in one browser, it may be extension related. Disable browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers or script blockers, and test Trello again. Now, if you're working with very large Trello boards, this next part is important. Large boards with thousands of cards, heavy attachments, or multiple power-ups can trigger timeouts. Try filtering cards using labels, members, or due dates to reduce what loads at once. You can also archive old cards and lists that you no longer need. Archiving reduces the active data Trello needs to process. If you're using Trello's API or automation tools like Butler, review your automation rules. Inefficient API calls or too many automated actions running at the same time can overload requests and cause timeouts. Consider simplifying automation or spacing out API requests. Another advanced fix is to break one massive board into multiple smaller boards. For example, instead of managing an entire year's projects on one board, split them into quarterly boards. This dramatically improves loading performance. Finally, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can also cause timeout errors. Restart your router or switch to a different network if possible. So to quickly recap, check the Atlassian status page, refresh and re-log in, clear cache, test another browser, reduce board size, optimize automation, and make sure your connection is stable. In most cases, the Trello 504 Gateway Timeout error is temporary and resolves quickly. But if you consistently see it on large boards, optimizing your board structure is usually the long-term solution. If this tutorial helped you fix the Trello 504 error, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Trello tips, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.